to lesson 2 in this 4th module on AdWords training, where we're going to look at the different types of campaigns available in AdWords and choose the right ones for your account. So before we do that, just a quick reminder, Module 4 is all about getting this set up right when we build our account. It's pretty much laying the foundation stones. This is building a good platform, a solid construction on which our account can sit. If we get this bit right, then our structure for everything we do going forward will be in great shape and we'll have a great platform to test and build. So let's dive into this. Now in AdWords, there are lots of different campaign types available to you. And in particular, you can see on the right hand side on the image, we've got something called Search Network with Display Select, Search Network Only, Display Network Only, Shopping and Video. Now I'm going to take each of those in turn, explain what they are, explain the differences, and leave you with a clear selection as to which ones we're going to be using, why and when. So here we go. So the Search Network Only is the default campaign type of choice. It's used when you want to advertise for people searching for your product or service. It's where we will start the vast majority of everything that we do on AdWords. So by default, when we're looking to create a campaign, we are always going to go Search Network Only. There is also something called Search Network with Display Select, which is a new campaign type introduced earlier this year. Essentially, it's a blend of search, so our text ads on Google searches, and display ads, which are on the Google Display Network, where it kind of matches based on user profiles, display ads it thinks will be relevant with your search campaign as well. So it kind of blends the two. We've tested this internally within our organization. We can't make it work better than search only for any of our clients. We haven't had one success where we've seen something to indicate that that's a viable campaign option. It may be more testing is needed. It may be that there is further investigation required, but at this point, we have not got the evidence, and you know that evidence matters a great deal to me, that we've got sufficient to actually recommend this network. So don't choose Display Network until we find evidence otherwise. Display Network Only displays banner and text ads on third-party websites, as you saw right from the introductory sessions. We will use it for remarketing primarily. So there is a situation when we will use the display network in our accounts, and that's for remarketing. But for now, for most of our account setup, it can be ignored. Shopping, if you have an online retail store, so an e-commerce store where you're making sales on your website, then you absolutely should look at shopping campaigns. It's outside the scope of this training, but just for a quick heads up, an overview of it, shopping campaigns use an automatic data feed from your shopping website, from your shopping cart system, be it UltraCart or WooCommerce or Shopify or whatever it may be. That shopping feed, that data feed is submitted to Google. Google process it, and they automatically match your products to searches that are done on Google. And it shows a really nice little ad, which is an image, a description of the product, a price point in some cases, and the name of the store. It shows all that in the ad, in a little block, usually of 4 or 6 ads, slightly separate from the main search results. If you run an e-commerce website, you absolutely must get shopping feeds set up. You will find they're cheaper than regular text ads, they convert better than regular text ads, they're easy to manage, and you've got lots of control. So if that's you, I'm going to overlook this for now, but for the purpose of your ongoing setup, you need to get shopping campaigns set up. Finally, online video, which is YouTube ads. Outside the scope of this course, but they are there. So when it comes to creating your campaigns, I guess the takeaway from this is we are always going to use search, except for our remarketing campaign, which is going to be display. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.